Hello everyone and welcome to another Squarespace tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to set up Google Analytics in Squarespace directly. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So step number one, we are going to go to our Google Analytics and we are going to navigate to admin, bottom left hand side. Once you come here to admin, you're going to click on data streams in the middle of the page. And once you click on data streams, you're going to click on your data stream. Now, once you're here in your data stream, you're going to scroll a little bit down and you're going to click on view tag instructions. So you're going to click here, view tag instructions. You are going to select here, install manually, and you're going to copy this code. So you're going to copy this code and you're going to go back to your Squarespace website. You're going to click the search bar and you are going to look for code injection. So code injection, you're going to click on code injection, and here under the header, you are going to paste this tracking code and you are going to hit the save button. And that's it. That's all you have to do to set up Google Analytics in a Squarespace website directly. So one more time, you are going to navigate to your Google Analytics. You're going to go to admin. You're going to go to data streams. You're going to click your data stream. You're going to scroll down. You're going to say view tag instructions here. And here you're going to say, I want to install manually. So you're going to click here, install manually, copy the tracking code, go back to your Squarespace website, use the search bar. This is very important. So once you are here, click on the search bar, look for code injection, click on code injection, and under the header, paste this code and hit the save button. Can you install Google Analytics in other ways? Yes, you can. You can set it up through Google Tag Manager, which is actually a better way to do it. But this option is enough. It will work and it's fast, easy, and convenient. That's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.